Hi, my name is Robert Smith and I'm with a mechanical service company in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And today we're doing a public service announcement for the Supco SCM 150 and SCM 60 surge protectors. These units were commonly installed between 2010 and 2014 on HVAC systems here in Hampton Roads. And we found that these are causing some issues. Supco had a recall a while back, which is over. And what happened was these units were heating up and or catching fire, causing potential hazards to your home and your HVAC system. So today what we're going to talk about is basically what we do as far as for our customer base and anyone else who's interested in allowing us to come out to your house and help you out. Mechanical Service Company is offering a $39 safety inspection where we'll come out to your house and inspect your HVAC system. And in that process, we will remove the faulty surge protector and cap it off and make sure that your home is safer. We'll also offer you the option at that time of upgrading or installing a brand new surge protector, and that'll take care of your system from here on out. So the procedure is when we come to your home, we're going to do the safety inspection. We're going to make sure that if you do have this item, we remove it for you. And I'm going to walk you through the steps that we will take to make your house safer by removing this product and or installing a new surge protector for you at that time. Please remember that this is something that should be done by a professional, and we do not recommend any homeowners taking this upon themselves. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll go to your HVAC system control panel here, and we'll actually come in here and turn the system off from the thermostat. Your thermostat may not look like this one here, but we'll go to any thermostat and make sure that the system is off from here. So the next step we'll take is go into your breaker panel like we have here, and we'll take and locate the actual furnace or heat pump breaker and switch it off. So here we're at the outside unit. This is called the condenser unit, and over here we have the disconnect for the outdoor unit. At the bottom here you'll see the Supco SCM 150. This is one of the units that is in concern right now. We're going to go ahead and show you what we do to remove this from the unit. So the first thing we're going to do out here at the disconnect is we're going to open it up and basically turn it off, make sure that the system is off. Even though we've turned the breaker off inside, we always want to make sure we double check. And once we actually open this up, we're going to use our meter to go in here and also verify that it's safe to touch the electrical wires. Now that we've got the cover off, we've exposed the feed wire from the panel box and also the feed wire to the outdoor unit. We can isolate the Supco unit here, and we need to verify first that we have actually eliminated voltage just to be safe. So we're going to go ahead and check it, make sure, and we are good to go. There's no voltage, so it's safe for me to go ahead and proceed. Now we've isolated the unit. All the wires that are in there are taken off, and this unit's just hanging by the connection inside here now. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this. Then I've got a little plug that we're going to stick into the disconnect box that fills the hole where that unit was. This is what we do if you decide not to replace the surge protector at this time. All right, so we've gone ahead and loosened up the nut that's holding it on there. Remove these wires. Just keep in mind, this is a very dangerous thing to do, and only should be a professional doing it for you. After you've gotten this out, go ahead and set it down. Got the little plug we're going to go ahead and put in here at the bottom area, and that'll finish covering that bottom plate. The next thing we're going to do is put this all back together. Now we've got all of our connections retightened in there, and the unit is removed. We'll put the cover back on, turn the breaker back on, make sure everything comes back on inside as well. So this is the unit that we removed, and you can actually see on the inside here, if we get a little closer, these wires were actually heating up, and The side, I think right here, you can see it started to heat up and melt, and the insides, not sure what that stuff is, but the insides are starting to come out. So this unit was a failed unit.